In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect and log out of NordVPN properly. First, start by opening the NordVPN application on your device. Give it a moment to load so the main dashboard fully appears. This is where you can see your connection status, your current server if you're connected, and the large control button in the center. If your goal is simply to stop the VPN tunnel for now, look for the large disconnect button on the main screen. Clicking disconnect immediately ends the encrypted connection. Returning your internet traffic to your regular network. This is useful if you're troubleshooting a slow connection, accessing services that restrict VPNs, or testing your local network. Keep in mind that once disconnected, your traffic is no longer routed through the VPN tunnel, so your real IP address will be visible to websites and online services. If you just need a temporary break, you may also see a pause option. Pause is helpful when you want the app to automatically resume protection after a short period. Depending on your version, you can usually pick a duration, then let NordVPN reconnect on its own when the time is up. It's a convenient way to momentarily access something without forgetting to turn your VPN back on later. Now, if you want to go beyond disconnecting the tunnel and fully sign out of your account, head to the app's menu. This is often represented by 3 dots or 3 lines in a corner, or by a settings icon. Inside that menu, look for log out or quit. Selecting logout will end your active session and take you back to the sign-in screen the next time you open the app. This is the right choice if you're switching accounts, handing the device to someone else, or tightening security so the app doesn't reconnect automatically. If you choose quit, the app will close completely, including background processes, which can be helpful if you're doing a clean restart of the app. Some versions may ask you to confirm before logging out or quitting. Just follow the prompt. To recap the difference, disconnect or pause affects your current VPN connection only, while log out or quit ends your account session or closes the app entirely. Use disconnect or pause for quick, temporary changes to your connection, and use log out or quit when you want to fully exit the app or require a fresh start. That's all you need to cleanly manage your NordVPN session.